Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you two really easy hair masks that you can make at home, and these are specially to get rid of that flaky rigid dandruff that we get during the winter season. These masks are going to give you really soft, smooth and silky hair. So subscribe to my channel and let's watch the video. The first one is an orange and ginger mask. Actually, more than a mask, it's like a rinse, and it has just two simple ingredients: orange juice and ginger juice. Orange juice is known to make your hair really soft and shiny. It helps in removing any dead skin and dandruff flakes and keep your scalp really clean. Ginger also has really antiseptic properties that helps in getting rid of dandruff, and it also promotes hair growth. So here I've taken around a tablespoon of ginger juice. Now I'm taking a cup of warm water, adding my orange juice in it. And then adding the ginger juice. Now mix all this together and your orange ginger hair rinse is ready. Next, we are making a yogurt, lemon and honey mask. For this, I'm taking around half a cup of yogurt. Yogurt or curd is full of protein. I'm also taking a juice of half a lemon, almond oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil in place of this. Then I'll be adding to it some honey and a few drops of the amazing antiseptic tea tree oil. The acidic property of lemon helps in removing any dandruff or buildup from our scalp. I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Honey really nourishes and smoothens our hair, so here I'm taking around 1 teaspoon of honey. And now in the end we'll be adding just 2 drops of the tea tree oil. And now it's time to mix the entire paste together. It should be of a thick consistency so that when you apply it on your hair, nothing drips off. Now I'm going to apply my curd mask using this brush. I'm going to focus more on my scalp because I have a really flaky dandruff situation going on, and then I will try and apply it more towards the end of my hair because they tend to get a little dry. Once I'm done applying it all over my scalp, I give it a light massage so that it spreads easily all over. So I have applied the entire mask on my hair and I just tied it out in a bun. And do I look cute in this? Okay, so now you need to apply this for at least 30 minutes and then just rinse it off using any of your normal shampoo. Rinse it off at least twice because you want the entire curd and everything to come off really well, and voila, you've got really silky, smooth and dandruff free hair. it's time to take some really gross selfies and send it to my husband. Once I wash off this entire thing with shampoo, I'm going to rinse my scalp really nicely with this orange ginger hair mask that we made. Is it just me or this looks really tempting to drink? My hair is almost dry now and I want you guys to check out the shine. They are so smooth to touch. And see, the scalp is almost clear. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and do not forget to share it with your friends, and also check out my other video where I had shown my entire hair care routine. See you next time.